Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Linear approximation helps you estimate complex values quickly using a simple tangent line. Let us break down this calculus problem into 3 easy steps right now. First, we evaluate the function at x equals 0. Since a to the power of 0 is 1, the function value at the point of tangency is exactly 3. Boom! Next, we find the derivative using the chain rule. The derivative of 3e to the 2x is 6e to the 2x. At x equals 0, slope is 6. Finally, use the point-slope form to build the line. Y minus 3 equals 6 times x. Plugging in 0.1 gives us 3.6. That is our answer. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Avoid skipping the derivative to prevent slope errors, and always use the point-slope form correctly.